How to get rid of your Threads account. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so please follow up with me. Now first, of course, we go ahead and open the Threads app, and then from here tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile. From there tap on the two lines in the top right corner right here, and you'll get a bunch of options right here. Tap on account right there. From here tap on the deactivate profile option. Tap on this button in the bottom that says deactivate Threads profile, and then confirm the action. And as you may have noticed, there is only the deactivate profile option right there, because you cannot delete the Threads account without deleting the Instagram account completely. So you'll have to delete your Instagram account associated to the Threads account to get rid of the account permanently. But when you deactivate the account, you can go ahead and log in again to access it. If you don't do that, it will be hidden forever until you go ahead and log in. And that's for the video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.